Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you step by step how to withdraw your money in Trading 212. So friends, go to home page and then log in your accounts, click login, and after that log in your accounts you will see this page. This is a login page. Just wait a few seconds. This is on core. As you can see here, click your email and password. You will see withdraw option. As you can see here on your mobile phone, choose withdraw. When you make a withdraw, choose your password. Write your password and email on this section. So friends, write your email and password. After that, choose your accounts and then choose your amount you want to withdraw. Choose a payment method from here and then choose your money and you want to withdraw amount. After that, confirm your transaction from here. So friends, this is how you can do. It is a simple steps. You need to set up your 2FA before you place your withdraw request and then click confirm withdrawal. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content and see you another videos.